Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to download Google Chrome on iPhone. Okay, but if you don't download that app, what can you to do for download that app? Sorry for my English, I know that it's awful, but pay attention. You need to open your app store, okay, and go in search and write here Google, okay, only Google, okay, and find that app Google Chrome. Touch here and download the app. If you not can download this app, okay, you need make, okay, this is a general solution. Always maybe this can fix your problem, but if not, you need maybe, I don't know, but this is the general solution. Okay, now you just need log out, okay, o sea, log out and log in your Apple account, okay, in your iCloud ID. You need to open your settings, and in the first option you can see your iCloud ID. Close your account and open again, okay, but pay attention, you not never, okay, pay attention, never close your account if you not remember your personal information, okay, because you need open again your account, okay. If you close your account and you forget, example, your password, you don't not can recover your password. You just need your account open. If you want recover your password, contact your support in Apple and make a new password, and then you can close and open again your account, okay. Now this is all, this is the general solution: close and log out and log in your account. And have a good day. Sorry for my English, I know that is awful, but I was trying to get more experience with my speaking. Have a good day. See you.